Welcome back to my channel. I'm Trina Marie. I'm going to show you how I got this soft glam look with the Anastasia Soft Glam palette today. I also went to Sigma and Sephora, so I'm going to do an unveiling of all the new products I got. So if you want to see what's in these bags and how I got this look, just keep watching. Alright, so we are going to hop straight into the Sigma bag. I stopped at Sigma earlier today and I saw Josh and Brittany, who are super awesome and super helpful, and they helped me pick out this brand new 3D HD Beauty Blender. It is actually based off the 3D HD foundation brush that they have in store. And it's actually really cool because it has two angled sides and then one curved side. So it's good to get all up in every little crease and bump in your face. So I'm super excited to try that out. So I don't know if any of you know this, but Sigma only has one store in the whole country, and it is located at the Mall of America in Bloomington on the second floor west side. Stop in there, say hi to Josh and Brittany, tell them Trina Marie sent you, get 15% off your whole purchase there. But this is the only place that you can get this beauty blender. Go get it before it is sold out, because this is going to be the next best beauty blender. $15. Next thing I got, as I mentioned, I do have a bunch of Sigma brushes. So I got this really cool Sigma, it's called the Sig Magic Scrub, and it's got these cute little things that just plop on your kitchen or sink or whatever. And this has the formula for cleaning your brushes. So you literally just take a wet brush and scrub it on there and it will clean your brushes. And lastly, I got a Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil. I have a Sigma Wicked pot liner, and it was so popular that they actually ended up making this pencil eyeliner. It's $11. Everything that I find at Sigma, I feel like is priced really well compared to just different brands of makeup. $15 for a beauty blender, $11 for a eyeliner, $19 for a magic scrub for all of my brushes. Next, I'm gonna jump into my Sephora bag, which I'm really excited about. I got some really cool stuff in here. Let's start with my favorite thing I got today, which is the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's got this really, really, really cool packaging. It's like a velvet nude color. So this is really awesome because it has such a wide variety of color shades. You can use it for nighttime, daytime, anywhere in between actually. So I'm super excited. We're gonna try that out in the tutorial after this unveiling. Anastasia Glam palette was $42. Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit, which is actually super cool. I read that it is 36-hour wear, which you probably shouldn't keep your mascara on for 36 hours. But we all have those long nights, so cool for that. This is actually super, super lightweight formula, and it has aero particles in it that are actually made in astronaut spacesuits. So excited to try this out. I got it in the shade black. The wand is really cool. Bad Gal Bang mascara, $24. Next, I got the Tarte Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner, and it is just a velvet tip eyeliner. Excited to try this out. I usually use a liquid eyeliner with a pot and a little brush. Tarte Sex Kitten liquid eyeliner was $20. Brow pencil from Benefit. It is super cute packaging, really bright and shiny. It does come with a brush, which I love to brush out those brows. And then on the other side, it is already shaped like that, which I feel like is just perfect for putting on your eyebrows. Benefit brow pencil was $24. I got the Huda Beauty lip strobe. It is a volumizing cream and it's a lip strobe. So it's super pretty and shiny. It's like a rose gold shimmer. The Huda Beauty lip strobe was $18. So excited to try that out. And lastly, I just got a set of new lashes. They're silk lashes, velour silk lashes, so I'm excited for those. Super, super pretty. The velour lie detector lashes were $26. So that is all the products I got today. I am super excited to show you how I am going to apply my makeup today with all these new products. So stay tuned if you want to see the look I get with all these new products.